Salibonani mahlabe Zulu igama lami nguThariro Leskinsi. That's as far as I can go. And welcome to Magitare Live. We are chilling right here in the city of Kings in Blawayo, and we're catching up with some amazing artists. And remember the special edition where we're celebrating Motown. Tonight we are hosting the amazing Gugu.
Hi.
Gugu, thank you so much for joining us on Magitare Live.
Thank you for inviting me.
Great. For the benefit of the audience, why don't you tell everyone what you do?
My name is Gugu, like she has already said. I'm a jazz fusion musician, and I started off as a vocalist, and then due to the lockdown, I started trying out some things on guitar, and I found that I liked it. So I kept going, and yeah. And I have a single that is out that is called Falling in Love. You can go check it out on YouTube. Yeah.
Nice. I'm excited, and welcome to the Guitar Club. It's nice to have more chicks in the group. Tell me, you mentioned lockdown. How was that for you?
Oh, it's been interesting, actually. It's been very interesting. There've been some bad things that we've lost a lot of lives, and some artists, some good friends of ours, we lost them, not to COVID-19, but to some other things. But for me, it's been positive because I've learned quite a lot. I was taking some classes, music management and sound production, which I finished last week. We got our certificate. You're now looking at a producer.
What? Congratulations.
Thank you.
You know, you guys really inspire me because the last time I came, I met you at one of those Sisters Next Generation.
Yes.
Shout out to you, Sisters Next Generation.
Yeah,
you guys
thank you,
are doing
sisters.
amazing things. This is something that I wish we had when we started.
Yeah.
How is it to be in a community of female artists who are doing some amazing things?
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
It's a wonderful feeling, especially for me. I've always loved working with female musicians because I feel like we can grow better. We can help each other grow. Like working together, we can actually achieve more. So it was an amazing feeling being surrounded by other like-minded people who are so in love with music and are willing to learn more about it.
Yeah.
It was amazing.
It's amazing. And watching you guys, you girls, watching you ladies come together really reminded me of the Motown movement because a lot of those artists, stood for something.
Yes, they did.
They created a vibe that not only changed America, but changed the world over. What influences do you have from Motown? What do you remember growing up?
I remember so much.
Yeah.
Like Motown was like really the music that we grew up listening to.
Yeah.
In my household, I remember we always were listening to Michael Jackson, the Jackson 5. We would watch the movies even, which were like the documentation of how everything started for the Jackson 5, how they got to the levels that they got to musically. Yeah. And we'd watch Stevie Wonder and he'd be performing and you'd be like, wow, this guy, he can really sing and he plays keyboard, he plays piano and he's blind. And that voice, oh my gosh, it was an inspiration, a huge inspiration for me. That's Diana amazing. Ross, she was so beautiful and so amazing.
Are you inspired by that?
Yes.
That's a look I think.
Definitely. Yeah. I loved the afros and that music really inspired me a lot. You'd find that when you listen to the song that I already mentioned, it's got like a touch of a feeling of that type of music. It's so part of me.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
I'm excited. I can't wait to see you perform. So tell me, what has been the journey for you like? At what point did you decide, look, this is what I'm going to be doing?
Well, for me, I've always loved music. Like I already said, I grew up listening to music and singing along. My household was very free. Yes. My neighbors actually they were used to the noise. We were always singing. So at first, I just thought it was just fun. I'd do it as something which is fun that I enjoyed doing. But then as I got older and got married, my husband, he is the one who was like, why don't you do this like professionally? Take the music like professionally, do it as a job. Wow. And I was like, I don't know, let me try it. Yeah. And that's how it started.
That's amazing. I'm going to delve into more of that, your relationship with your husband.
Yeah.
Because for people like us, it's tricky
It is.
to have a supporting spouse.
Yeah, it is.
How do you feel that has made you a better musician?
Yeah, it has made me a really better musician because he gives me the space to really push on my music. Like when I'm feeling like there's a mood that you get when you are a creative. Sometimes you don't want people around you. You want to do your work. You want to do your music by yourself.
Exactly.
He understands that. So even with our kids, he'll just take them and, hang out with them somewhere else because he can see that this woman wants to do some work right now.
Amazing.
She's in a creative mood.
On behalf of all the Zimbabwean female artists, we would like to thank you. Because it's such a blessing to have someone who supports your vision and a partner in purpose.
It is.
I'm really excited. So what can we expect from Gugu in the next few years?
Gugu is definitely going to be doing a lot of stuff. Like I already said, I have done music production.
Yeah.
So I'm planning on actually producing my own album.
Wow.
Yeah. So watch out for that one.
That's huge.
Yeah.
No, I must say, you guys really inspired me. I'm just like, you know what? When I grow up, I want to be like.
Oh my gosh!
You guys are doing amazing stuff, and I'm so excited to have you on Magitare Live. Any parting shots that you'd like to share with your audience?
Well, all I can say is that watch out, the female producers have arrived.
Yes, yes. Tell them. You tuned into Magitare Live. The name is Tarirone Gitare, and I'm chilling right here with Gugu, who's going to be performing for us. Remember, we're commemorating Motown. We're celebrating the amazing sounds that changed America and also influenced the rest of the world and also influenced us as Zimbabwean artists. So stay tuned. We're just going to cross over to watch the lovely Gugu perform.
Sanbonani, ibizo lami nguGugu. I'm a jazz fusion musician from Bulawayo, and I'm going to be performing a couple of songs for you today. And the first one is gonna be Let's Get It On by Marvin Gaye. I hope you'll enjoy it. I've been really trying to hold back this feeling for so long. And if you feel like I feel, baby, come on, ooh, come on. We are all sensitive people with so much to give. And there is nothing wrong with me loving you. Giving yourself to me can never be wrong if the love is true. Let's get it on. 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 Yeah. Thank you so much. Now, the next song that I'm going to be performing is called Ogwami. And it goes something like this. Ogwami bo, get ogwami bo, I ogwami lo, ogwami bo, get ogwami. Ogwami bo, ogwami laku, ogwami bo, ay ogwami lo, ogwami bo, ogwami laku. Webantu bagiti vumani bo, giyazi semenzela, giyazenzela. Webantu bagiti vumani bo, giyazi semenzela, giyazenzela. Ogwami, ogwami bo, ogwami laku. Get over me, laku. Webantu bagiti vumani bo, giyazi semenzela, giyazenzela. Webantu bagiti vumani bo, yeah, 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 yeah. Ogwami lokomo, ogwami loko, ogwami loku. Yeah. Thank you so much. Now, this next song that I'm going to do, it's a song that I wrote in honor of musicians that have lived before me and have made a mark. There are a lot of musicians that lived before my time, and yeah, I enjoy their music even though they lived before I was even born. So it goes something like this. Throughout the ages, throughout the ages, others have come and gone, but you live on. Throughout the ages, others have come and gone, but you live on. Work hard, you will live on. Pull it together, you will live on. Forever in our hearts, in our minds, you will live on forever. Forever in our hearts, in our minds, you will live on forever. This song, whenever I play it, I remember the likes of Don Gumbo, Oliver Mtukudzi, Andy Brown, Chiwoneso Maraire, Bob Marley, a lot of musicians that I respect and love so much, but have left us. I would like to also honor the friends that we lost this year, Kelvin Nsizio and Usbonisiwe Stole. They made their mark. Work hard, you will live on. Pull it together, you will live on. Forever in our hearts, in our minds, you will live on forever. Forever in our hearts, in our minds, you will live on forever. Yeah, thank you so much. This next song, it's called Days Gone By. And I did it originally with a friend of mine called Tom and Shadrach. He's the one who helped us with the instrumental. Shout out to you guys. Yeah. Dreaming of days gone by, 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 dreaming of days gone by. I know that there's a greater power above, and I know that there's a greater power above. Dreaming of days gone by, 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 dreaming of days gone by. I know that there's a greater power above, and I know that better things are still yet to come. I'm dreaming of days gone by, 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 dreaming of days gone by. Yes, I'm dreaming. Oh, oh, oh. Yes, I'm dreaming. Ya la la mama, ya la la mama, ya la la mama. I'm dreaming. Yeah. Ya la la mama, ya la la mama, ya la la mama. I'm dreaming, yeah. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, thank you so much. Now I'm gonna do the last song. I recorded it last year, and it's called Falling in Love. You can see the video on YouTube, it's there. And the links are there on my Facebook page. It's Gugu, G-U-G-U-E, with their full stop at the end. You have brought me happiness when I least expected it. Ngangingazi nzokuthola uyangimangaza. You have brought me happiness when I least expected it. Falling in love with you is a mystery to me. Falling in love with you is a mystery to me. When I first saw you, I never knew you were the one. It took me a while to realize that you're the only one for me. Oh God, I'm so amazed that I have found a love so true. You told me you loved me and cherished the times that we shared. I know that you're the only one for me, the only one for me. Waithatha inhliziyo yami, wathatha umoya wami, wathatha uthando lami lonke. Ngiyakutshela mina, wayithatha inhliziyo yami. Wayithatha, wayithatha, wayithatha inhliziyo yami, wathatha umoya wami, wathatha uthando lami lonke. Ngiyakutshela mina, wayithatha inhliziyo yami, wayithatha inhliziyo yami, wathatha umoya wami, wathatha uthando lami lonke. Ngiyakutshela mina, wayithatha inhliziyo yami. Thank you so much. That was my last song. It's called Falling in Love.